Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build this building here, which is the Bank of America building in Orlando, Florida. You might have seen this building if you go to Orlando for going to Disney World or Universal or one of those resorts. So let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I have everything taken apart, so I'll show you every single piece you will need. You'll need a bunch of these arch pieces, which are 2 tall. Then 4 of these 2x2 slope pieces. Then we need 1 of these 1x2 handles, 2 of these 1x1 cheese pieces, 1 of these 8x6 base plates, 2 of these 1x2 jumper plates, 4 of these 2x2 jumper plates, 1 of these 2x2 regular plates. You'll need 1 2x4. 1 1x4 flat piece, 2 of these 1x6 flat pieces, and 2 1x2 flat pieces. So now let's get started. So let's push everything to the side so we can start building. So first, we're going to make our front to our building. So we need 2 of these arch pieces to go together like this. 2 more inside here as well. And then 1 of these, which is a arch in the middle. And you can just do this for your arches, the ones that are facing on the side, to make it look a little more elaborate, but I'm just gonna do this. And then we need to put it a step back. Like this. And then we need to place more windows on the sides. A window on the back. And we have our basic structure so far. Then we need to place 2 of these 2x2 jumper plates with a regular plate in the middle, like that. And now we can get started with the rest of our building. But first we need to make a little design along the sides, just to keep the shape in order. So we'll do that. And then place these 2 1x2s on the side like this. So as you can see, it's a complete circle. And now we can continue placing our windows. Like so. Until we get to our next step. So I'm just gonna keep placing windows. And then we need to make a second level that looks just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. So let's just keep placing. And this is what our building looks like so far, with 2 of the same levels. And I'll do that just so you can see a little better as we twist this building around. And now we get to the next bit, which is going to be our final bit, in fact. So first, we need to place these slope pieces. Like this, and then place 2x4 here. Next, we need to place these 2 jumper plates, and we place this 1x4 on top, right here. So this is getting too high to the point that the camera can't see. So I'll have to tilt it like that. So now we can continue with our building. So we can place our last and final layer up on top of our building, like so. Stick that back on. And then we need to place some of these jumper plates onto here, like this. Then we need to attach these solo cheese pieces. Like that. And then we add our handle on top, and our building is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!